Ready for a breakthrough that could change the way we monitor our environment forever? Imagine this. Fields glowing, not just from the sun but from bacteria that can tell us exactly what's going on in the soil, whether it's nutrients, pollutants, or even toxins. Today we're diving into how scientists at MIT have engineered bacteria that make soil and crops glow in different colors, and how this could revolutionize farming, pollution monitoring, and environmental science. Let's get into it. Until now, testing soil health meant collecting samples and sending them to a lab. It's slow, expensive, and limited. But what if the soil could talk back? Thanks to synthetic biology, it can. Researchers have genetically engineered bacteria that glow when they detect specific signals in the environment. These bacteria are programmed to respond to all kinds of environmental triggers, everything from heavy metals to radiation, toxins, or even beneficial nutrients. And instead of needing microscopes to check them, researchers can now use drones or satellites to take pictures and detect their glow from nearly 300 feet away. Here's how it works. The bacteria produce special molecules called reporters when they sense a specific target. These molecules glow in certain wavelengths of light, invisible to the naked eye but crystal clear to hyperspectral cameras. These cameras can capture hundreds of light wavelengths and analyze tiny color shifts we'd never notice on our own. The result? Fields that literally light up with information. Maybe red where pollutants are present, green where nutrients are rich. To make this possible, the team ran quantum mechanical simulations on over 20,000 metabolites to find the most effective glowing compounds. They settled on two: biliverdin, a pigment that gives bruises their greenish tint, and bacteriochlorophyll, a photosynthetic pigment used by microbes. Biliverdin was engineered into a soil bacterium called Pseudomonas putida. Bacteriochlorophyll went into an aquatic microbe named Rubrivivax gelatinosus. These bacteria were then wired with genetic circuits that act like switches, activating the glow only when certain signals are detected. To test the system, the team placed soil and sand samples in open containers. Some had buried targets like other bacteria, and within 30 seconds of a drone pass they lit up brightly compared to control samples. This kind of real-time feedback could soon be used across entire farms or contaminated zones. Of course, when it comes to releasing engineered microbes into the wild, safety and regulations are key. The team's already working with defense agencies and policymakers to make sure these glowing sentinels are both safe and effective. The big takeaway? These microbial sensors can be deployed across wide areas. They don't need power, they're persistent, and they can respond to highly specific signals, making them ideal for all kinds of environmental monitoring, even in cities or remote locations. So whether it's detecting toxins in a polluted site, checking crop health, or spotting nutrients in the soil, these glowing bacteria could become one of our most powerful environmental allies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates on Earth's most fascinating breakthroughs. LG News.